Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to draw a beautiful cartoon eye step by step. Let's start by using the grid to help guide our drawing. First, I will draw one eye here and another eye here. Now, I will add two lines to define the shape of the eyes. Then I will sketch a big oval for the eyeball. Now I will draw the pupil and add two ovals inside. One large and one small for the reflections. Next, I will draw the upper eyelid. If I make the corner of the eye larger, it will look more like a girl's eye. Finally, I will sketch the eyebrow and darken it to give it a more defined look. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a beautiful cartoon eye. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. See you in the next one.